Were you ever taught that fruits have protein? Leave a comment. Plant foods that we eat come in different types. Most of us grow up eating what our caregivers offer us and what they consider is healthy or appropriate for us to eat, regardless if it's actually healthy or not. Some parents might tell their children, eat your fruits and vegetables, they are full of vitamins and minerals. Others may say, eat your proteins. When our parents say eat your proteins, they are almost never referring to fruits or plant foods. On the contrary, they are often referring to meats or animal products in general. At school, we might learn about nutrition, but most of us don't learn about the different types of foods in depth, especially when it comes to learning about the different types of plant foods. Welcome to medi-date, the place where we upgrade your well-being journey together. Today, we want to discuss the different types of plant foods in a way that most of us have never learned about them before, so be sure to hang out with us until the end.
Holistic health professionals educate us that plant foods can be categorized into 3 types. 1. Electrical foods. In general, plant foods that tend to grow above our arm's reach, where we need to reach our arms up to pick them, are electrical foods. The solar energy is what pulls them up. The sun is the force that affects their energy. Foods that grow high are generally high in moisture. Generally, the higher the food grows, the more electrical it is. Naturally, the more moisture in the food, the more electrical it is. The more electrical the food is, in its natural state, the more cleansing it is to the internal human body systems. In other words, electrical foods are cleansers. Cleansing foods are foods that clean our internal system from waste matter. In basic terms, cleansing foods give us internal showers. Cleansing foods are also nutrient-rich and nourish our cells with vitamins and minerals which maintain the functioning of cells, help with digestion, aid in eliminating excess mucus, and protect our bodies from disease. All fruits are electrical foods. Some fruit are more cleansing than others. Examples of cleansing plant foods include coconut water, watermelon, lemon, orange, pineapple, and much more. Did you eat any electrical foods today? What electrical food did you eat? Leave a comment. Know more about electrical foods here.
2. Magnetic foods. Generally, magnetic foods include every plant food that grows beneath your arm's reach, and which is affected by the gravitational pull of the earth. Magnetic foods are foods that contain metals such as iron and other minerals. Magnetic foods are builders. They build muscle, bones, tissue, and more. Some magnetic foods are more building than others. Plant proteins and starches are magnetic foods. They are builders. The denser the plant foods, the more starch or protein in them, and the more building they are. Magnetic foods include root vegetables and tubers, which are dense foods. The deeper the food grows into the earth, the less moisture it has. Root vegetables that grow close to the earth's surface, such as beets, carrots, turnips, and parsnips, have more moisture than the ones that grow deeper into the ground. The foods that grow deep in the ground, such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, and yams, are high in starch and low in moisture. These foods are magnetic. Once again, they are builders. Grains such as wheat, millet, rice, rye, corn, barley, and oats are also magnetic. They have no moisture. They are not cleansing foods. They are builders. Legumes, nuts, and seeds are also magnetic foods. They have no moisture. Although nuts grow high, they have no moisture, and so they are not cleansers. They are builders. Do you have a favorite magnetic food? Share it in a comment below.
3. Electromagnetic foods. Generally, those are plant foods that grow within your arm's reach. Electromagnetic foods are balanced foods. They are neutral foods. These foods are sustainers and stabilizers. Vegetables including leafy greens and vegetable fruits are electromagnetic foods. Botanically speaking, all foods that come with seeds in them are fruit. Fruits can be broken up into different groups. Follow us to learn more. The major ones that we classify as fruits all have sugar. Some fruits have more sugar than others. Vegetable fruits are fruits that have seeds and don't contain any sugar, which are more compatible with vegetables. Vegetable fruits are typically classified as vegetables. Examples of vegetable fruits include tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplant, zucchini, okra, and more. These are electromagnetic foods. Starchy fruits have seeds and don't have sugar. These are electromagnetic foods also. Starchy fruits are not classified under fruits because they don't have sugar in them. Examples of starchy fruits include pumpkins and all of the winter squashes. There are protein fruits as well. Note that all proteins in nature have fat. Examples of protein fruits are avocados. Avocados have no sugar and no starch, also olives, olive oil, coconut meat, coconut oil, and ackee. Starchless vegetables that don't have fat, sugar, protein, nor leaves are electromagnetic as well. These include asparagus, celery stalks, string beans, broccoli, cauliflower, peas, snow peas, and more. As we said before, grains are starches. They are magnetic foods. They are builders. However, when grains are sprouted and grown into a grass such as wheatgrass, lentil sprouts, alfalfa sprouts, and so on, they are no longer magnetic. They are now vegetables. They are now electromagnetic. What's your favorite electromagnetic food? Leave a comment.
So, in summary, plant foods can be categorized into three types. They are electrical, magnetic, and electromagnetic foods. If you learned something new today, leave a comment, subscribe, like, share, and let's continue to upgrade our well-being journey together.